Okay, Patrice, good afternoon. We are with Patrice Hayward. He's the communications consultant for Haitian.
Absolute Haitian.
Absolute Haitian. Okay, Absolute Haitian is the American distributor.
Exactly.
Exactly. And the Asian. First, hello, Patrice. Thank you for your time. Receiving us here at the NPE. Patrice, well, how is the show first?
The show has been excellent. I know that they've broken attendance records, and so we've had a lot of success in the booth. We have 4 machines, and of the 4 machines, 2 of the machines have been sold at the show.
All right.
So that's good news.
Good news. Very good. The buyers are from here, from United States?
Yes, one is an Italian company, Magneti Morelli, and they have
Very known.
Very well known, and they bought the very large Jupiter machine that's on the floor below us. And then the second buyer, I cannot disclose the names yet. We're still finalizing the arrangement. But they bought the all-electric Series, which is our new product introduction at NPE. And it's an all-electric machine, but it has integrated hydraulics. So those 2, one of our all-electrics and one of our servo-hydraulic machines are sold at the show.
Perfect. Patrice, tell us a little more about Haitian.
Haitian is an international company. They're based in Ningbo, China. They're one of the largest, if not the largest, manufacturer of injection molding machines in the world. In 2013, which is the last complete figures that we had, they sold over 27,000 machines in over 130 countries. So we're about to announce our results for 2014 at the end of this week, but it's embargoed, until the official Hong Kong Stock Exchange announcement is made. So, so for 2013, 27,000 machines. And there are 2 brands. It's a multi-brand strategy. There is the Haitian Plastics Machinery brand. Those are servo-hydraulic machines running from about 67 US tons. A German word for sapphire. And the Zephyr brand is all-electric machines. And so the main model, the earliest model, is the Venus series. More than 5,000 models of that sold. And now it has a complementary machine, the Zephyr series machine, which is all electric with integrated hydraulics. Because for molders who are doing core pull is usually a hydraulic circuit, and they have to pull up a power pack or something for hydraulic. But now with an integrated hydraulic circuit, they don't need to.
How is working Haitian here in the United States?
We have, I cannot say enough about the relationship we have with the key players and all the team members from Haitian International. We just seem to be on the same page. They're very responsive. If we need machines, in the stockpiling, because we know we have a lot of orders. Delivery is very, very fast. The pricing, of course, is extremely competitive. It's a big advantage that we're able to offer the U.S. molder is the price advantage of the Haitian machine. And other advantages include when they design these machines, they're designed with very commonly well-known suppliers and vendors, companies whose hydraulics.
Tell me about the growth in the United States. How was your growth here in the United States during the past 3 years?
Probably, I would say really the marker for growth for us began in 2006. So starting about 2006, we really saw more and more acceptance of the Haitian brand. And so our sales have more than quadrupled. 2006 until now, 2015, we have tripled our support services that we offer. We went from 11 field service engineers to 40. We had maybe 6 million. We quadrupled our spare parts inventory to support our customers in North America, U.S. and Canada. And then, of course, we work very closely with our good friends across the border, Jose Barroso in Haitian, Mexico. Because we have so many customers that go back and forth across the border, like Theodora's. So we also have an excellent relationship there. So, for instance, Jose Barroso, Haitian Mexico. They have opened several new service facilities, support, aftermarket, and the newest one in Guadalajara this fall. And we go to that open house.
And well, talking a little more about those machines, the trends. You are launching new machines here, okay?
We are.
Tell me a little about it.
Okay. We have, on this side of the booth, we actually are introducing new model sizes of the Jupiter 2 series.
Jupiter, yeah.
So the Jupiter, that's a machine that is a 2-platen machine, usually available in very large sizes.
Exactly.
But more and more customers we're finding are interested in having that model come down inside. So what we've done is we've launched, Haitian has developed 6 new tonnages. So U.S. tonnages, now it comes from 1,214 U.S. tons all the way down to 560 U.S. tons.
So you are covering a broad range
now a
of
much broader
capacity.
range. So it used to be like starting about 1,300 U.S. tons to 7,425. Now we go down to 506. So on the show floor we have a 730-ton Jupiter 2, and that's new. And we're also announcing for the Jupiter 2 that we have wide platen options. And these wide platen options enable the motor to buy a smaller size machine to run a part that's very
bigger
wide,
part.
bigger tie bars. They need bigger tie bar spacing, but not more tonnage. And so it's so much more cost effective that they could buy a little smaller machine, but still fit the mold between the tie bars.
And with a higher productivity.
Yes, higher productivity. Exactly. Well, the 2-platen, of course, has a smaller
For this
footprint.
reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, but tell me a little more about your plans for the future here in the United States.
That's a good question. You know, in a way, I feel like we'll just keep doing what we've always done, which is, support our customers in the best way we can. But we have a theme. The Haitian theme is communication, innovation, and efficiency. And so on the Haitian side, innovation is really critical. So for instance, this year we're opening 2 new factories. One is for the Jupiter 2 series, particularly because we have the new sizes. And this new facility is more than 1.5 million square feet of manufacturing space. So we can make sure that, if customers need delivery, we can accommodate them. And there's also a new Venus, our all-electric Venus. The Venus 2 will be manufactured in a new facility as well. That new plant, the open house is in May in China. And that plant is capable of manufacturing 10,000 machines a year. And that is a state-of-the-art manufacturing technology plant. So for Haitian, the machines that they're developing are state-of-the-art. And then, and that's innovation. But communication is also important, and so we work very hard with our partners all around the globe to make sure communication is strong and that we listen to the customer.
And clear.
And then the third part is efficiency. And for Absolute Haitian, this is very near and dear to our heart because we're talking about our own efficiency, of course, but mostly what we're talking about is our customers' efficiency. And that means uptime, and that means we have to be there for answering questions, troubleshooting, providing advice, counsel, and so efficiency is where we play, I think, plays the most important role.
So if I ask you, define Haitian using only 2 words?
2 words won't work. It has to be 3. Communication, innovation, efficiency. Is that okay?
Very clear. Very clear. Patrice, thank you very much.